Good
Good
morning,
morning,
guys!
guys! It's currently 4 o'clock in the morning.
And we are heading to
Fossil Rock.
in Sharjah, UAE.
Alright. So, yeah, it will be an hour drive going there from our place. So, I think we have to go ahead and be on our way.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Keep right at the fork.
Hi guys, good morning again. We're finally here. We have just reached. It was it was a nice travel. It's not that long, no? It's about 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, we're finally here. This is what they call the Fossil Rock. It's gonna be located somewhere in this archaeological site from Melilla. We'll try to go ahead and drop you the name in the comments below. Alright, just have a look at it.
The comments.
Alright, the details below. Alright, so show them around, Han.